Sometimes we need to create an environment contain our project. So project appear as a part of a whole. The first thing we will do of this environment or the context is the road, and we also provide some details of this road, which our project located on it and the project facade view it. These details for the sidewalk, asphalt, as well as the curb of sidewalk, we will see together how we can do it. First thing, we will start drawing the sidewalk. This 2D drawings, we will not hide it. We will start with the ramp for the car entrance here. In order to draw it, with rectangle tool, click on starting point of this arc, then the starting point of the arc on the other hand, moving like this. We will find here two lines. The line of the step and the line of sidewalk edge. We will move to reach the line of sidewalk edge. We will push it up 15 centimeters. Then make this part as a group. Triple click to select this part, then make it group with letter G. Then with move tool, move it down to the ramp start. Note the ramp start, it's here. In order to make this ramp, this line will down 15 centimeters. With move tool, look on blue axis. We bring it down to the second line. After that, we will make this part of the sidewalk. Draw a simple rectangle from this point to this point. After that, we will copy the arc from 2D. Select this arc. Then take a copy of this arc. After that, on this face, we will paste it in its place with letter V. Then delete this part after we make it group. This part is divided into two parts. The sidewalk part here will be the tiles for this floor. And then there is the curb with offset tool, offset 12 centimeters. We don't need these lines. So we will select each line, then return it to its place. Then make this part a group and this part a group. Now we have these two groups. Make a thickness for each group. Also the curb, its thickness will be 15 centimeters. We will move down these two pieces to this line. We will copy these groups at this point. Then mirror it with scale tool holding control. So scale value is -1. After that, move it on red axis, aligning with 2D drawing, this line or this point. In order to subtract the extra area of the ramp, the first thing we will do is that we will take copies of these two groups Ctrl C. Then we will use those copies in subtracting extra area of ramp. Press Shift S, which is shortcut for subtract, or choose subtract from this toolbar. Select first piece, then select the ramp, then again choose subtract, and select this piece, then the ramp. Now we removed the extra area of the ramp. Notice that the two groups disappeared. That's why we took copy of it. So we will press V, it will come to its place. Then we will modify this part. This part assumes that 6 meters long. So we will extend this part 312 centimeters. And this curve too. Select all the groups we created here and make it a component. After that, copy it on both sides like this, on the left and the right. Then copy this group and its curve, paste in place. Then move it to this point. From this point we will move the sidewalk 900 centimeters. That means 9 meters. Then we will mirror it with this tool. Make this side without rounded corner like the other side. So we have these two pieces. Stretch it as the opposite sidewalk with scale tool. On its length. After that we will make the asphalt floor. We draw its area. We make sure that we are on the blue axis, choose this point. And its thickness will be 15 centimeters and make group. Make this sidewalk and this curb a group. Like this, the road details are done. We will back to scene of front facade. Then turn off tag of floor plans. And update this scene.